ये हमारा बचा था. Now we will do with next topic. Before going to the next topic, I want to tell you two more functions. That means to write today's date. So what you will write? You will put equal to sign and then you will write today. Already it will come in this menu box drop down today. And then what you will put? You will put parentheses as these today's function not required arguments. Okay, आपको इसमें कोई cell range address कुछ नहीं देना है. तो what will happen with the function of this today? You will get what? What you will get? You will get today's date. What you will get? You will get today's date. Okay, and similarly, if you will write here now function, so what you will get? Who will tell me? We have done this theoretically. I have shown you in the slide also, isn't it? But we are doing it practically right now. Last time हमारे पास time नहीं था इसको ये three functions को practically perform करने का. That's why we are doing it. Otherwise, you know the function, isn't it? What you will do? You will put enter. So what will happen? It will give date and time. Both the things. In today, what you will get? Today function, you are getting only the date. From today functions, you are only getting the date. But from now function, what is the difference? That you are getting the date plus time also. What you are getting? Date plus time. So I think now the difference between these two functions are clear to all. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Now I am telling you the shortcut key. What I am pressing? I am pressing control and colon sign, semicolon. Control and semicolon is the shortcut for today's function. What is the shortcut key for today's function? When you will press control plus what, which key? Semicolon. So automatically the function will perform. You not need to write the function that equal to today and parenthesis. What is the shortcut key? You will press. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, who is talking? Yes, who want to say something?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Anybody want to say anything? Or should I continue? Okay. I'm continuing my work. So from this is the shortcut key for what? For writing date. And for shortcut key for writing now function, shift, control and colon. We'll get time. So what is the shortcut key for writing now function? You will press shift plus control plus semicolon. Got my point? Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
yes.
तो ये जो हमने आज फंक्शन डिस्कस किए हैं ये हम लास्ट क्लास में थ्योरेटिकली वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस ऑल दीज पॉइंट बट ये तीन फंक्शन हम प्रैक्टिकली नहीं कर पाए थे दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिपीटेड ओके नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेल एड्रेस yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to erase the
Yes, ma'am.
data of your this particular selected cell, so what you will do, you will click the right column and then you will click clear content. All the data will clear together. Okay, we have discussed all these things, how to clear, how to insert, how to do formatting. I have given you one homework related to that also, and already you people have done it, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
two points I want to explain you that we have done about what cell referencing, isn't it? Whenever we write any function or whenever we write any formula, what we have to write, we have to give the cell address, we have to give the range जिसमें हमें वो formula या function apply करना है. Okay, so we have two types of cell referencing. First is reference cell and second is absolute. Okay, now I'm telling you the difference between that two. Just a minute, let me check. Okay, students, now cell address, you know what is the address of this particular selected cell? Who will tell me? That is Any one of you?
B3.
Anybody can tell me the answer. Do fast.
B3.
B3.
Yeah,
B3.
very good. The answer is B3. Now, you know, if we will perform here what? Addition sum. If we will perform here. Okay. Now I am writing one more number. 1, 2, and 6 and 7. So how we will calculate the function? How we will find the sum of this number? Directly auto sum I am using here. Okay. You will select it and then you will press this auto sum. So we will get the sum. When you will click here, so you will directly get the function for this. Yes, this is a function for sum. Okay, now we have two types of cell referencing. First is reference cell and second is absolute cell. I am telling you the difference between that. Ki what is the meaning of referencing of cell and absolute cell. So, agar we have, suppose here we have more data. And then we are coming down again. And here we have more data. Okay, now I have already explained you how to take the auto sum of all these. What we will do, we will select the sum function cell, and when we will drag down this mouse, so what will happen? We will get the sum for all these rest of the rows. Yes, students, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in this, all of you just look here. When I will come to this E1, what is written in the formula bar? Sum A1 is to D1. But if I will come down, so now this address is changed. Yes, you can see it, sum A2 and
A2 to D2.
D2. Yes. So we haven't written the formula here. Automatically, when we will drag down the mouse, so this cell references are changing. Cell reference change ho raha hai. You can see it here, A2, D2. Now, if we will click here, so what is coming here? A3, D3. Yes.
A3, D3. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is known as what? Relative cell referencing. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Relative cell referencing. हमने एक formula एक में apply किया. After that we select that particular cell and we drag down the cursor. So automatically the formula will generate for rest of the rows. By here what is happening? The cell address are changing automatically. यहाँ पर cell address क्या हो रहा है? Automatically change हो रहा है. Got my point? But sometimes what we want, we want that we don't want, we want a constant value. हमें क्या चाहिए? We want a, yes, tell me what we want. We want a constant value. Suppose the value of A1 cell is 2. Okay, now here I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then next is 10. So if I will write here any number 1, 2, 5 like this. Okay, I have written any numbers. Now suppose what I have written A1. Asterisk sign is which operator? Who will tell me? This is the mathematical operator we use.
Multiplication.
Multiply. Now, what is the address of this cell? B1. So, what will be the answer? कौन बताएगा? Answer क्या होगा? Yes.
2.
What is the answer? 2. Now, again, if I will select it and if I will drag down my mouse, so what will happen? I will get multiplication for rest of the rows. Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? So this
Yes,
is what?
yes,
This is
ma'am.
reference cell.
Yes.
यहाँ पर cell का address is changing automatically. A1 से B2 हो गया. A1 से A2 हो गया. Similarly here from A1 to A3. But what I want to generate table of 2. मुझे क्या generate करना है? What I want to generate? I want to generate table of 2. So what I can do? I can generate it right now here. What is the cell number of this first cell? Cell address? It is, tell me student, it is very important question because ये बहुत बार question में पूछा जाता है कि what is the difference between relative cell and absolute cell. Okay, now I am putting which sign? I am putting dollar sign. Whenever we write absolute cell referencing, we put dollar sign in front of column heading and also in front of row heading. First thing, first difference is this. Whenever you are using absolute cell referencing, you have to put a dollar sign before the column heading and before the row heading. So what is the heading of this column? What is the heading of this column? A. So I have written what? What I have written? Dollar sign, and then I have written A. And then what is the row number? What is
One.
the row number here? B1. So now what I want to do, I want to generate of table 2. So I want 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are. That means I want this value constant. मैं इस value को I want to put the value of cell A1 address constant. So that's why I have used $A. What I have used? बोलिए.
A1.
A1.
Dollar A1.
A,
Dollar
and then
A.
again $1. Okay. Then asterisk, what will come? Who will tell me what will come? We want to change the value of which cell?
B.
B1. Every time we don't
B1.
want B1, B1, B1. Yes?
Yes.
मैम आप क्या
Yes.
करते हो वो देखिए क्या है.
Two
हेलो.
ones are. So here you got the table of. Here you got the table of 2. Why?
2.
Because here in this formula, what I have written, you can see it over here. Here I have used dollar sign. That means now this value will constant. This will become absolute cell referencing. This will become absolute cell referencing. I think it's clear to all. Yes.
Yes
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Now in B1 में हमने क्या किया है? रिलेटिव सेल रखा है कि ये सेकेंड रो में आएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसका वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? B2. थर्ड रो में आएगा तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? B3. 4 में आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? B4. In this way. But here when we will select this and when we will drag it down, so automatically the formula is generating, but this value remains same. ये वाली वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? सेम. तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? दिस इज नोन एज एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंसिंग. हमने अभी क्या कर दिया यहाँ पर? एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंसिंग कर दिया. एंड व्हेनेवर वी वांट टू अप्लाई एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंसिंग, वी हैव टू पुट डॉलर साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ column heading and also in front of row heading. So I think now it's clear to all what is the difference between reference selling and absolute selling. Here this blue bold is showing to you what? Absolute cell referencing. और ये जो B1 है वो क्या शो कर रहा है? Relative cell referencing. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Got
ma'am.
my point? Okay. Now we will move forward to the topic which I have to start today. I will show you the PPT. We have done this count A, count blank, and this also now function, today function. Now today we will start about logical operators. Okay, now as we have already done about mathematical operators हमने किए. We have done mathematical operators, plus,
Yes, ma'am.
minus,
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication,
Yes,
division,
ma'am.
all that comes under mathematical operators, and using that operators we have performed so many functions and formulas, isn't it? हमने किए ना बहुत सारे functions और formula using mathematical operators. Now today we will discuss about logical operators. Today we will discuss about what? Logical operators. You know what is the meaning of logical operator? Logical operators are used to compare the values. Why we use logical operators? We use logical operators to compare the value. And what are that operators? You have already used used also greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. So all these are known as what? Logical operators. And why we use logical operators? When we have to compare some value, so we use logical operator. जैसे हम mathematics में simple लिखते हैं ना, less than, greater than, वो sign तो same रहेगा. But अगर if you want to write greater than or equal to, then you have to use this symbol. Can you see the cursor? Can you see my cursor? So whenever
ma'am.
you want
Yes,
to write
ma'am.
this greater than or equal to symbol in computer, so you have to write in this way. Got it? Got my point?
हेलो मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम. आप देख ही नहीं रहा है. लास्ट वो सम वाला जहाँ से करवाया ना वही स्टॉक होके रह गया है. आगे आपने क्या करवाया वो कुछ नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर नहीं दिख रहा है किसी को?
दिख रहा है.
नहीं,
मैम दिख रहा है मैम, विजिबल, इट्स विजिबल.
Some of you are saying not visible, some of you are saying visible. Okay. किसको नहीं दिख रहा है? Yes, please tell me your name, बेटा.
मैम.
हाँ.
Ma'am, Pooja Sharma.
Pardon?
मैम हीना राठवा.
हीना राठवा. और बाकी सबको दिख रहा है? Yes, please respond, student.
हाँ,
Rest of you
ma'am.
can see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
तो बेटा आप
Yes.
एक बार
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Visible
ma'am.
है.
तो हाँ, तो बेटा ये आपके साइड से प्रॉब्लम है. आप ऐसा करो, दोबारा कनेक्ट कर लो. ओके, सो
Okay,
यू
ma'am.
विल, यू कैन सी इट. हाँ,
ओके.
okay, because rest of we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
see it ना. So I think ये आपके साइड से प्रॉब्लम है. You just rejoin. Okay.
ओके मैम. ओके.
हाँ. So these are logical operators. Now today we are going to discuss how we can use this logical operator in MS Excel. So less than equal to we will write in this form. And greater than equal to in this form. And not equal to हम जैसे mathematical symbol में क्या लिखते हैं? Equal to sign को cut कर देते हैं. That becomes not equal to, isn't it? But when we write not equal to sign in computer, we have to use this sign. Can all of you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is the sign whenever you have to use not equal to, and this is for equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Got my point? Now I have already told you that why we use logical operator when we have to compare. Suppose मैंने आपको दो नंबर दिए 13 and 2. Now if I will tell you कि okay, you just find out the relation between these two numbers. So what you will say? You can say कि either ma'am 13 is greater than 2, or you can say ma'am 2 is less than 13. ओके, तो जो लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं हमारे पास दो ही वैल्यू आएंगी, या तो वो ट्रू होगी या तो वो फॉल्स होगी. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू इट प्रैक्टिकली, देन इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू पीपल. सो नाउ आई एम कमिंग अगेन टू माय एक्सेल शीट. First look here, logical value, we will get two values, either the result will be true or either the result will be false. दो ही चीज हो सकती है, या तो हमारा रिजल्ट क्या होगा, सही होगा, या हमारा रिजल्ट फॉल्स होगा. Okay, now I'm coming back to my Excel sheet and then I will tell you how to perform all these, how to use all these logical operators. Okay. Now, one more difference. You know about if statement? Any of you know about if statement? Because whenever we will use if statement ना, then we have to use logical operators. Okay, जो हमारा if statement होता है, that is the most popular function in Excel. It allow you to कंपेयर, लॉजिकल कंपैरिजन की फैसिलिटी देता है. अभी तक जो हमने फंक्शंस किए थे, वो जो हमने सिंपल फंक्शन किए थे, सम, एवरेज, टोटल, परसेंटेज, रेस्ट ऑफ द फंक्शंस, उसमें हमने कोई चीज को कंपेयर नहीं किया था. अगर हमें if you want to prepare a grade card, कि if students scoring more than 80%, then the grade should be this. If students scoring less than 80%, then the grade should be this. So for using all for doing this thing, we cannot do with the simple functions like sum, average, total. उसके लिए हमें conditional function use करने पड़ेंगे. And if is what? If is a conditional statement. That means here we check the condition. Yes, who is there? Yes, any problem? Yes, anybody who wants to ask something? No? Should I continue?
Yes,
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
continue?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you just look here. I have made this sheet because अब मैं आपको जो कराऊंगी ना, मैं आपके पास डेटा ऑलरेडी आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इट. स्टार्टिंग में अभी तक जितनी भी मैंने क्लासेस ली थी उसमें आई एम राइटिंग द डेटा बिकॉज आई वांट टू शो यू कि हाउ यू कैन एंटर डेटा, हाउ यू कैन डू फॉर्मेटिंग एवरीथिंग. इसीलिए अभी तक मैंने जितने भी एग्जांपल्स बताए थे वो मैंने खुद टाइप करके और खुद लिख के आपको शो किए थे. यस, आई एम राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time is limited. Now the time is limited. You people already know ki how to enter data and how to do formatting everything. That's why I have put the data here. Now we will do how to use if statement. Okay. Now look here. First I am telling you a simple statement using if. I have written here 20. Arjun, go from here. Go from here. Okay, now what I have written here some names of the student, and here I have written some marks. Okay, now if I am putting here condition, मैं यहाँ पर एक condition put कर रही हूँ. What I am writing, dash 90 is written in which cell? Yes, which cell? When you will click it, automatically you will get the cell number.
B3.
Yes, cell
Yeah.
address.
B.
Okay, so how you will write if? Then you will write B3 is greater than, क्या condition दे हम? If B3 is greater than 50. Okay. If B3 is greater than 50, तो क्या print हो जाए?
Pass. Pass.
अभी just for so what will print? मैंने क्या condition दी थी? If what I have written here, children, students, look here carefully. Now we are writing. हाँ, अभी मैं आपको explain कर रही हूँ. Okay, let me zoom my screen. This is if statement. Now what I want कि मेरे पास I have written the names of the student and I have the scores of the students. Now which condition I have used here? If here B3 is the cell address. So what is the value in B3? What is the value in B3? 90. If 90 is greater than 50, I am telling you how to write if function. Okay, so first look it very properly. First of all, whenever you write any if function, put equal to sign, write if, and then put the parenthesis, and now here you have to write the condition. Whatever condition, whatever logical test you want to check, first you will write it. So what I want to check, I have written this marks is greater than 50. This is my condition. Whatever the value is in this cell, if it is greater than 50, so what will be the result? True result will print as A and false result will print as B. ये हमारा जो if logical test होता है इसका syntax होता है. As I have already told you what is the meaning of syntax. Syntax is, what is the meaning of syntax? That syntax is the grammar. Whenever you use any language, you use the grammar of that particular language. So similarly in computer also, if you want to use if statement, so you have to use this function, so then you have to use this syntax. So what you will write first? सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, who will tell me first what you will write? If condition. सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखेंगे? If and then parenthesis open. अब आपको जो भी condition check करानी है, whatever condition you want to check, you will write that condition and after that you will put comma sign. What you will put? Comma sign, and then you will put what? Yes, who will tell me what you will put? कौन बताएगा?
Double inverted comma.
Yes, double inverted comma, whatever message you want to print. कि आप कुछ भी, जैसे मैंने first window में I have in this column see what I have written pass. आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं if you want to write pass, but you have to write that condition within double quotes, and then you have to put comma, and then you have to put what? Again you have to start
Again,
double quote, and then you have to write fail and inverted commas close, and then you have to close the parenthesis, and when you will put enter, so what will happen? What will come? The result will come of if condition. So I think it's clear to all how to apply if condition. Yes,
Yes,
students,
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
fast.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
my point? First,
Yes,
what you will
ma'am.
do? You will apply, you will write if, and then you will write the condition, whatever condition you want to check. अगर मैं यहाँ पर इससे less कर दूँ, you can write any condition, whatever condition you want to check, you will write that condition, and then comma, and then true value will come and false value will come. But whatever message you want to print as it is, you have to write in double quotes. आपको उसको किस में लिखना है? Double quotes के अंदर में. Then you have to put comma, and then you have to put again double quotes, and you have to write the message. After that, we have done this function. What you will do? You will write separately for this row also. You will write separately for this row also. बोलिए क्या आप
No, ma'am.
separately या फिर से function यहाँ
No,
लिखेंगे?
no,
यहाँ पे
no,
लिखेंगे.
drag.
No, what you will do, you will select this particular cell where you get the result, and then you will drag down your cursor like this, so you will get the answer. Okay. So I think it's clear to you, all of you, कि how to apply if. We are talking about only simple if right now. अभी हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? Simple if की बात कर रहे हैं.
If.
Then after that we can do nested if also. That means we can apply 2 or more if inside the if. So that will become nested if. But first you try to do if statement properly. If statement is very important in Excel, because you will get assignment work also to prepare the grade card of the student. So in that you have to apply if statement. Okay. So I think now if statement is clear to all. किसी को कोई doubt है if statement में?
No, ma'am.
One more
No,
thing,
ma'am.
what we can do, you can select the data. आपने इसमें आपका जो result में data आया, you have selected it. Then we will go in conditional formatting. Where we will go? Conditional formatting, and then you will select highlight cell rules, and then you will select text, because here what we have in this data, we have text, isn't it? So result is in the form of text. So you will click here, and then what you will write, suppose we have chosen this word pass, कि हम pass को कुछ अलग color से highlight करना चाहते हैं in your sheet, because here we have only the record of 10 students, but when we have record of large number of students, and if we want to highlight some particular percentage, or if we want to highlight the fail students or low grade students, so we can do it. We can use different color for highlighting these texts. Okay, so you will click here, and then you will go to custom format. Okay, after going to custom format, any color, any color you want to select, you can choose it, and then you will press OK. So what will happen now? You can see. Now you can see the password is written in different color. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got my point. So in this way, you can make your data sheet, you can make your database attractive, और easily हम उसको देख सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं by using all these color combinations for your data. So I think it's clear to all कि आप कैसे change कर सकते हैं, because we are doing with 10. But when you will prepare a sheet, now I will give you this condition कि for this particular data, change the color. So you should know how to do it. Again, I am telling you once more. Just look here. I think if statement is clear to all, isn't it? If तो सबको clear है. एक बार फिर से मैं if को repeat कर रही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, you will put equal to sign student, and after that you will write if function, then open the parenthesis, whatever condition you want to check. हम यहाँ पर अभी करेंगे कि अगर we will check more than one condition together using nested if. Okay, but here we are checking only one condition. अभी हमने यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक condition check की है, तो what is the syntax for that? You will write that condition and then you will write whatever message you want. If this condition is true, then what message you want to give, you will write it first. And if this condition is false, whatever message you want to write, you will give it second. And that should be in double quotes and close the parenthesis. This is the syntax for if statement. So I think it's clear to all. Yes? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
what you will
Yes.
Now I'm again telling you how to change the color. कैसे भी आप किसी भी particular, that is according to your need कि आपको अपने data कैसे represent करना है. According to that you can change the color. First of all, select that particular cells and then go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cell rule, and then go to text that contain. Now suppose I have written here fail, okay, and then you will go to custom format and then you will choose any color according to your choice. After that you will click OK. So after clicking OK, what will happen? It will come in yellow color. Got it? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Do you
Yes, ma'am.
how to change, how to highlight a particular similar data, you can highlight with same color. Okay, pass को हमने blue से कर दिया और fail को हमने yellow से कर दिया. तो similar data you can change the colors. Now we will come to if. I think if statement is clear to all. Okay, now we will come to and or operator. We will come to and or operator. Now today you can see the changes कि पहले मैं ही सारा डेटा लिखती थी और आपको प्रैक्टिकली कराती थी, बट अभी टाइम लिमिटेशन की वजह से मैंने कुछ डेटा रिकॉर्ड ऐसा इसमें डाल रखा है, सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द फॉर्मूला बिकॉज नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू नो हाउ टू डू एवरीथिंग, इंसर्टिंग, डिलीटिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग ऑफ डेटा. नाउ first of all, who will tell me? Now I am discussing with you people and an or operator. So you know what is the meaning of and? Yes.
Yes,
Simple
ma'am.
and का मतलब क्या होता है और का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, who will tell me what is the difference between these two words? अभी हम कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. I am just talking simple. हम नॉर्मल जैसे हम इंग्लिश में and और में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? Yes.
And में वन से
And
ज्यादा
मतलब
चीज
both the
होगी.
conditions
Please
या both
tell your
statements.
name while giving answer. So I will get to know who is telling me. Yes.
Ma'am, Kruti here.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Kruti.
and में यस मैम, एंड में बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स या दोनों कंडीशंस जो होती है वो दोनों को हम गिनते हैं. एंड और में ईदर ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स, दोनों में से कोई भी एक या फिर कोई भी एक कंडीशन.
Yeah, it's true. Very good. और कोई कुछ बोलना चाहता है?
Here
Yes.
एंड होगा. एंड मोस्टली प्लूरल में होता है और सिंगुलर में होता है. मतलब कोई वन थिंग ही होगी और में वन से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती, कोई भी एक ही चीज. और एंड होगा तो ऑलवेज प्लूरल में ही होगा, एक से ज्यादा.
Okay. हाँ, तो देखो मैं अगर आपको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल से बताती हूँ कि इन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज हाउ वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट इट एंड और. जैसे आपके पास क्वेश्चन पेपर आता है तो उसमें लिखा होता है ना, सपोज हम जब एग्जाम्स देते हैं तो किसी क्वेश्चन में आता है कि डू दिस और दिस. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू क्या करना होता है आपको? यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन. अगर हम क्वेश्चन मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, so that means you have to attempt any one question, not both questions. My point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But instead of that or, if I will use and, so that means you have to attempt any one or you have to attempt both.
Both.
So the same concept when we are doing in computer, when we are applying in computer, we have to use. And means if I have written, as I have already told you, why we use and or logical operators when we have to test more than one condition. हमें जब एक से ज्यादा कंडीशन चेक करनी है तो हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? एंड और ऑपरेटर हम यूज करेंगे. ओके, we can do with nested if also, but I am telling here you about the and or operator. But what happen when you use and operator? So, and if you are writing any condition, so both the conditions should be true, then only your result will be true. Got my point? दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू होगी then your result will be true, and in case of or, if any one of the condition is true then your result is true. You got my point, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I am showing you this thing with example. One example I am showing it to you. Okay, now you can see in column A what I have written. I have written the names of some fruits. I have written the names of some fruits, and in column B I have written their color names. I have written their color names. Okay.
Color.
Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
I have written the fruit's name and here I have written the color name. Now come to this one. What is the condition I have written for this cell? You can see it from here in the formula bar. What I have written for this, that if A2 is equal to apple, if A2 is equal to apple, true and false. यहाँ पर मैंने कोई and or I have not used here. Now you can see the function. If A2 is equal to apple, true or false. So what will be the result for this cell? जल्दी से बताइए, because we have to finish it right now. ये देखिए apple है,
True.
तो आंसर हमारा क्या आएगा? We will get true. Got it?
True. True,
Answer we are getting. That answer we are getting or not? Okay. Now come to
Yes.
the D column. Now what I have written? It is an apple. ये हमने कंडीशन डाली थी कि इट इज एन एप्पल. यहाँ पर हमने क्या कंडीशन डाली थी कि अगर ये एप्पल है तो आंसर क्या है? ट्रू आए. तो वही मैंने ऊपर लिख दिया कि इट इज एन एप्पल, देन इट विल ट्रू, अदरवाइज इट विल बी फॉल्स. अब हमने यहाँ पर क्या डाली है कंडीशन? व्हाट कंडीशन आई हैव रिटन हियर? इज इट ग्रीन? व्हाट आई हैव रिटन? इज इट
Is it green?
ग्रीन? तो क्या होगा? हाउ यू विल राइट द फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस सेल? I will not select it, otherwise it will show you the formula. How you will write the formula? In D, where I have put this plus sign, you have to check कि is it green? तो आप क्या formula लिखेंगे? What you will write? Because color is displayed in which column?
Is equal
पहले तो ये
to
बताइए color किस column में
equals
display है?
to
B2 में.
B,
हम
B
B2
column.
लिखेंगे. We will write A2.
B column में है.
Because the colors are written in B column. So what we will write? We will write B2. Okay, that is clear. Now which condition we are checking? Is it green? तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? B2 is equal to green. अगर आंसर ट्रू है तो क्या आ जाए? Yes. और आंसर फॉल्स है तो क्या आ जाए? No.
No.
Okay.
No.
Here we are using only if statement. जो अभी मैंने आपको explain की थी, वहां पर हम सिर्फ we are using only if statement. Now come to the E column. We are just revising if statement how to write. So that's why we are getting no here. It's clear to all? Now come to this
Yes, ma'am.
E.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is the question? Is it a green apple? अब हम ये नहीं चेक कर रहे हैं कि we are not only checking green, not only checking apple. We are checking two conditions. हम यहाँ पर क्या check कर रहे हैं students? Tell me what we are checking here. We are checking two conditions together.
Two conditions.
Apple भी होना
Is
चाहिए
it
और
green
green
and
कलर
is it
का होना
apple?
चाहिए, है ना? Is it a green apple? So देखो यहाँ पर हमने C वाले कॉलम में we have checked only one condition. So that's why we applied only if statement. Here also we have checked only one condition. That's why we have applied only if statement. Okay, but now here what you want to check कि apple भी होना चाहिए and उसका color क्या होना चाहिए? Green होना चाहिए. So you got my point? ठीक है. So now what we want? पहले तो आप मुझे बताइए, हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ ग्रीन हो और एप्पल हो, कि हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि इट शुड बी ग्रीन इन कलर एंड इट शुड बी एप्पल? हम दोनों कंडीशंस चाह रहे हैं. सो विच ऑपरेटर वी विल यूज? वी विल यूज एंड और वी विल यूज और? वेरी
operator.
गुड, वेरी
And
गुड, वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. दैट यही चीज बनाने के लिए मैंने ये टेबल बनाया है कि नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर द कंडीशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल चेक द कंडीशन. आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल चेक द कंडीशन कि विच ऑपरेटर फाइनली वी हैव टू अप्लाई. हियर वी हैव टू चेक बोथ द कंडीशन. दैट मींस एप्पल ग्रीन भी होना चाहिए, एप्पल भी होना चाहिए और ग्रीन भी होना चाहिए. सो हियर वी विल यूज विच ऑपरेटर? वी विल यूज एंड, नॉट और. My point is clear to all? Here we will
Yes,
use what?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now come to this
ma'am.
formula. What I have written here, and here A2 is giving apple and B2 is for its color. Okay. So and option क्या करता है? How we have to write and option? First of all, what we want to check? Which cell we want to check? You will put equal to sign. What you will put? Equal to sign, and then you will put what? What you will put? Parenthesis. जैसे हम अभी तक previous formula में करते हुए आए हैं. Yes, you will put the parenthesis sign. और अब हमें ये check करना है कि fruit apple ही होना चाहिए और उसका color green ही होना चाहिए. So fruit is written in because we are finding formula for this particular row, isn't it? So what you will write? Yes, who will tell
A2.
me? What you
A2.
will write?
A2,
Just a
the
minute.
address.
A2.
Arjun, you go from there. Please, what I'm saying. Go. 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 Just a minute, student. Huh? Please go. I know, I'm coming. Just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm coming. Yes, this sheet is back. Now you can see it over here. So we are talking about this, isn't it? So how you will write and operator and A2? What is the written here? Apple. हम condition जो check कर रहे हैं, apple की condition check कर रहे हैं, and which condition we are checking? Color. So whenever you write and operation and logical operator, you have to write both the conditions, and both the conditions should be separated by comma sign. बात आ गई सबको समझ में? हमारी पहली condition क्या है? A2 क्या होना चाहिए? A2 क्या होना चाहिए?
Apple होना
Apple.
Apple
This
होना
is our
चाहिए.
first condition. So we have written this is our first condition. ठीक है? First condition quickly. Then you will put comma sign. Then you will put comma sign, and after that you will write second condition. What you will write? Second condition, and then parenthesis close. So in this way you have to write and operator. And remember one thing. If any one of the condition is false, so result will be what? If any one of the
False.
condition is false, then result will be false.
False.
But in case
False.
of OR operator, if any one of the condition is true, then result will be what? Result क्या हो
True.
जाएगा? True हो जाएगा.
True
So
हो
this
जाएगा.
is the way how we write and OR. Similarly, if you want to write OR operation, OR operator, you want to write instead of and, what you will use? OR. And rest of the formula
Or.
syntax will be same. Rest of the syntax will be same, but the result will be different.
Same.
Got my point? Look here.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So after that, what you will do? उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे? How you can do this? You can find the result for all these. Yes. How you will find? First, you will select the cell, and then you will drag down it. You will get the answer for rest of the cells.
Answer.
So I think and operator and OR operator is clear to all. सबको clear है? हम कैसे लिखते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Operator,
Yes.
you will write and, then you will put
Yes,
parenthesis.
ma'am.
You will write logical one condition. पहली condition लिखेंगे, आपका जो भी cell address है, you will write it, or you can directly go there and you can select it like this. You know ना? ये तो हम पहले आपको बता चुके हैं, है ना? If you want to write the cell address, you can directly go to that particular cell, and when you will click it, so you will get the answer. So in this way, how you will write? Equal to, and you have written, then you will write A1 is equal to, what should be A1? A1 क्या होना चाहिए हमारा? Apple, isn't it? And then double quote close, comma, और दूसरी condition क्या है? What is the second condition? B2 should be what? Whatever the condition, you will write it over here.
Green,
I'm not
green.
writing anything, double quotes, and then you will close the parenthesis. Got it? And if you want to use OR function, what you will do? You will write here OR. Instead of and, you will write OR. So I think this is and OR, and if statements are clear to all. If statement and
Yes,
OR
ma'am.
operator is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in next class we will do nested if, or nested if में I will tell you how to prepare a you can say how to prepare a report card sheet, grade marks जो sheet होती है, that we will prepare, and in that we will use this and or operator and nested if. तो फिर आपका जितना भी फॉर्मूला वाला फंक्शन है वो पूरा पार्ट आपका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Okay students, so your time is already over. So what you have to do today, you have to prepare some data. आप अपने 10 friends का name लिखिए and you just write down the scores, and not any name you can write. You can write any name and just prepare a small sheet, grade sheet, and try to apply all these formulas. Okay, and change the color for different marks, or if you are preparing like pass fail, so change the color also, highlight the color. Okay. So I think now you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
today's
ma'am.
work is that you have to prepare a grade sheet. आप जितना भी अभी हमने आपको nested if, I have not teach you nested if. You have to use only if statement and or logical operators. Using these three functions, you have to prepare your sheets. आप जो भी उसमें कर सकते हैं आप करेंगे, एंड देन फिर इन नेक्स्ट क्लास ना मैं बोलूंगी किसी स्टूडेंट को कि अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करो और मुझे दिखाओ कि आपने क्या प्रिपेयर किया है, यूजिंग ओनली इफ and और लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स. यूजिंग इफ आल्सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर बहुत अच्छी आप वर्कशीट्स, अपना जो ग्रेड शीट्स होती है वो प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज योर टुडेज होमवर्क, दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर a grade sheet using only what? Using only if and or logical operators. Okay, so you will do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
student,
if is the important functions. जो अगर
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
अपनी worksheet prepare करेंगे उसमें if जो है that is very useful and the most important function of Excel sheet, you can say. Okay, if you know how to apply if condition, if you know how to apply nested if and on or logical operators, you know how to use it, then you can easily prepare grade sheet. Okay, so just try it from your side, and if you will face any difficulty, then I am here to help you. Okay.
Lata
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम प्लीज ये एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, प्लीज आप
Yes.
डॉलर वाला कंसेप्ट एक बार ब्रीफ में से एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हैं?
बिल्कुल आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू, अभी कर देती हूँ. हाँ दीपिका मैम बोलिए प्लीज.
I was repeating the same instructions. बच्चे अगर आप
दीपिका
लोग
मैम.
Excel है ना? Yes, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Lata?
Yes.
यस मैम.
हाँ, so I was just saying बच्चे कि अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे ना हर दिन, then you will not be able to learn, क्योंकि हम भूल जाते हैं. It remains in our temporary memory, but if you practice तो वो आपका पक्का होगा. एंड इसीलिए मैम ने ये टास्क दिया है. एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास अगेन आई विल बी देयर, एंड हम लोग शुरुआत वहीं से करेंगे कि रैंडमली हम किसी को भी बोलेंगे टू शो वॉट एवर यू हैव प्रैक्टिस. और गलत होगा तो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी एट ऑल. We are there to explain it again, but try at least. You should have something to show us. Okay? Okay.
Yes ma'am, they
Yes,
are trying
ma'am.
because
Okay,
I've
ma'am.
already given them one task, and mostly all of they have done that task, preparing a
Good,
timetable.
Great.
क्योंकि
So
हमने
our intention is this only, that you practice so that you learn. Okay?
Yes,
Because
it's very
आप लोगों
true.
का जो practicals है, जो हमारा 30 मार्क्स का जो प्रैक्टिकल होता है, that is based on this unit only. तो इसलिए हम लोगों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप लोगों को इसका सारे फंक्शंस, एक्सेल का, पावर पॉइंट का, वर्ड का, ये सारा आपको आए, बिकॉज योर प्रैक्टिकल विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दीज 3. वंस वी आर फिनिश्ड विद दिस, देन आई विल अपडेट यू रिगार्डिंग द प्रैक्टिकल. लेकिन आप लोग अटेंटिवली इसमें सुनिए, ठीक है? बिकॉज थ्योरी में तो आएगा ही ये यूनिट, बट प्रैक्टिकल, एंटायर प्रैक्टिकल इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस यूनिट. ठीक है, समझ आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Lata ma'am, you can explain them and I'll leave the meeting.
हाँ, वो
Okay.
किसने पूछा था मुझसे, व्हाट्स द नेम?
नीतू गुप्ता मैम.
हाँ, नीतू गुप्ता. Just look here beta. Okay, I'm explaining it again. Look here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Suppose I have written here 4. What I have written? 4. Okay. Now I want this value constant. suppose I have written here 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Those who want to go, they can go. Okay. Or those who want to listen this concept again, they can be in meeting. That is your choice. Okay, beta? All of you are listening.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. If you want
Yes,
to.
ma'am.
So 7, 8, 9. इसलिए मैं सबसे easy way में सबसे easy concept ले रही हूँ कि how to generate the table. Okay. Now, if you will write here what, suppose instead of 4, if I have written here 5. Okay, 5 and then 6, any number, 8, 9, any number I have written. Okay. Now, if I want multiplication of these two numbers, पहले तो नीतू मुझे बताओ multiplication कैसे करेंगे? Simple, without any formula. आप इसका मुझे multiplication बताइए. Yes, Neetu, you are with me, beta?
Equal to sign, ma'am.
हाँ, very good.
Then asterisk sign.
First asterisk sign will come. Okay. Okay. Let her tell. Yes, beta. Next. बोलिए
And then-
नीतू.
Then parenthesis, ma'am. Open parenthesis.
Parenthesis. Yes, Neetu, tell fast, beta.
या मैम इसका थोड़ा याद नहीं आ रहा मैम, प्लीज हेल्प मी.
Okay, it's no matter. You don't have to write this, है ना? हमको multiplication करना है तो first we have to write the cell address. अगर आपको simple multiplication नहीं आएगा, then it will be very difficult for you to understand absolute concept. Okay, तो पहले बेटा ये देखिए नीतू, हमने equal to sign लगाया. अब हमें कौन से दो cell का multiplication चाहिए? We want multiplication of cell this and this. Got my point? So what is the address of this cell? A1 आ गया. Now what you will put? You will put with sign? Asterisk sign. Now what is the address of this cell? Now what you will get?
B1.
You will get answer 4. Now what if I will drag down my mouse button? So what I am getting? I am getting the formula of 4. मुझे 4 का table मिल रहा है. I am getting the table of 4 here.
No ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Why I am not getting the table of 4? कौन बताएगा चलिए? Why I am not getting the formula table of 4? कि यहाँ पर जब computer है, as I have already told you, good. Whenever we drag down, ना, so computer automatically change the address of the cell. आप यहाँ क्लिक करिए तो सेल का एड्रेस देखो अपने आप चेंज है. आपने लिखा था यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला? नहीं. आपने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला लिखा था? नहीं. बट कंप्यूटर ने उसको ऑटोमेटिकली एड्रेस को चेंज कर दिया है. ओके, गॉट माय पॉइंट? सो दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट? रिलेटिव सेल. इसको हम क्या वो कॉन्सेप्ट बोलते हैं? रिलेटिव सेल रेफरेंसिंग, जो कि कंप्यूटर अपने आप करता है. लेकिन और कंप्यूटर ने क्या किया? कांस्टेंट नहीं रखा 4 की वैल्यू को. रिलेटिव सेल में हम कोई वैल्यू को कांस्टेंट नहीं रख सकते हैं. बट अगर हमें एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंसिंग करेंगे तो वी कैन मेक इट कांस्टेंट. हाउ? नाउ आई एम जस्ट डिलीटिंग दिस. आई एम क्लियरिंग दिस कंटेंट. क्लियर कंटेंट में क्लिक करेंगे तो एक साथ क्लियर होगा. नाउ अगेन आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस. नाउ आई एम पुटिंग इक्वल टू साइन. जिसकी भी वैल्यू, जिस सेल की वैल्यू आपको कांस्टेंट रखनी है, वी हैव टू मेक कांस्टेंट 4. सो व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल पुट डॉलर साइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट. हम कैसे लिखते हैं सेल एड्रेस? कैसे लिखते हैं? A1. A is the heading of column and 1 is the heading of row. तो before putting the heading we will put dollar sign. हमने कौन सी साइन रखी? डॉलर. नाउ व्हाट इज द हेडिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम? नीतू जल्दी बताइए. नीतू,
सॉरी मैम, क्या सॉरी मैम, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा एक्चुअली.
हेडिंग ऑफ दिस कॉलम. ये जो
A1 मैम.
नहीं बेटा, A1 नहीं है. कॉलम की हेडिंग इज ओनली A. ओके, ठीक है. अब रो की हेडिंग क्या है बेटा? 1. तो इसके आगे भी हमें क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? डॉलर विद साइन डॉलर. अब व्हाट इज द हेडिंग? 1. Got my point, Neetu?
Yes ma'am, yes. Okay.
Now you will put what? Asterisk sign. Okay, now what we want? We want only 1. We want to make B column numbers, B जो column numbers, we want to make it constant? No. We don't want to make it constant. हम क्या चाहते हैं? 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, इस तरह से आए. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 3 जा 8. So we will use relative cell referencing. और relative cell referencing में हम कैसे लिखते हैं? column name and its row name. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Got
Yes,
my
ma'am.
point, beta? Now
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
click
Yes.
enter.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what will come? 4. Now you just drag it down. तो अब देखो आपको क्या मिलेगा. You will get the table of 4.
Yes. Yes.
So that is the
Understood, ma'am.
difference. आया बेटा समझ में?
Yes. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
तो बेटा यही डिफरेंस होता है. इसको अभी हमने जिससे फॉर्मूला में ये चीज लिखी है ना $साइन और $1, इसको हम कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंसिंग. दिस इज नोन एज
Okay. Absolute cell
एब्सोल्यूट
reference.
सेल. और ये जो
Absolute
B1
cell.
लिखा है ये रिलेटिव सेल रेफरेंसिंग है. दिस इज व्हाट रिलेटिव सेल रेफरेंसिंग. सो आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल. ओके
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, practice
Yes,
your work
Yes.
and make some grade sheet prepare using if function. Okay. And we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
only one more class for Excel. We have only one more class for Excel, and in that I have to teach you how to generate graph and how to print your sheet. So in next session, in
And
your
next
next class,
Friday.
please be on time. क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम एक ही है. तो पहले मैं आपको I will explain you about all the charts and how to take print out of the sheet. So in this way, we will complete our Excel work. Okay. So be on time in next class because sharp 1:45 I will start my class. Okay. So take care.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care. Take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am.